Our media training puts a lot of emphasis on understanding where reporters are coming from. As the former editor of several capital markets publications, I can share that reporters tend to be smart and curious, overworked, which means you can go a long way toward building a relationship if you can prove yourself to be a resource. And I'd say they tend to be more literate than numerate. So that means maybe don't share that fancy chart of the 3D implied volatility surface you brought with you. Instead, tell them a story about the biggest tail risk that investors are facing and how it compares to 2008. Now, what reporters are not, at least the good ones, is your friend or your stenographer. And that can come as a bit of a shock to senior people on Wall Street who are used to bending markets, not to mention people working at a more junior pay grade to their will. So a reporter may ask a shockingly basic question, or an impertinent one. And we can't guarantee that they read that research report of yours that we sent them several days ago, or even your bio for that matter. What we can promise is that you'll be ready even if they're not. You will have their background, clips of some recent stories, a list of questions they're likely to ask, and more often than not, a little bit of color on their interview style that we've picked up over the years. More importantly, from your media training, you'll be prepared to handle those tough questions and to pivot to the key points that you want to make.